going to start.
Yes, sir. Now everything is well.
Okay, okay. So shall I rub this? Please note down.
Yes, sir.
Please note down. I am taking very next question, that is question number 4. Question number 4 is a box contains 12 balls out of which eggs are black. Right? Total number of balls. Total number of balls is equal to 12. Right? And out of which X balls of number of black balls is equal to X. Right? If one ball is drawn at random from the box, what will be the probability that this ball will be black? Yes. You need to find out the probability of drawing a black ball. What will be there? Probability of drawing a black ball will be equal to x by 12, right? Number of black balls is x and total number of balls is 12. So probability of drawing a black ball is x by 12, right? Now,
Yes, sir.
if 6 more balls are put in the box, if
दोनों में +6 ऐड कर देंगे x + 6 अपॉन 12 + 6
6 more balls are put in the box, then total number of balls now will be equal to पहले आपका 12 था and now 6 is added more, that is 18 balls, right? The probability of drawing a black ball is now find out probability of drawing a black ball now, that will be equal to number of black balls is what? Number of black balls is x, na? That will be equal to
x + 6
x by 18, na? And
Yes,
x +
sir.
6 by 18
x, ठीक है? 6 balls are added. So drawing a black ball
Yes,
is
sir.
6 by 18. Okay. Now you need to is now double that ball. And again that is double, na? 6 more ball is added, then probability of drawing a black ball is now double of what was before. अब ये होगा according to condition. Now this probability means x plus 6 upon 18 is double of the previous probability, that is x by 12. ठीक है? So cancel this, 2 6 are 12 and 6 cross multiply 6 into x is 6x plus 6 6 are 36 is equal to 18x. So 36 is equal to 18x minus 6x. So 18
3
minus 6 is 12x. 12x is equal to 30.
X is
x
equal to
=
3.
3
Right? So value of x will be equal to 3. Is it clear now? Is it clear now?
Yes, sir.
And again today strength is very less. Devanshu, Kanika, Harshita, Sonal, Shreyash, I had admitted all. That will be equal to 50. 3. Yes, 53 now. Means 52.
Yes sir, 52 एक आप भी हो.
हाँ, वही बोल रहा हूँ.
Excluding you 52, including you 52.
Including me, 53 means 52 students are there. And 2 more students are waiting in the room. Admit all. That will be equal to 55. Yes, 55. Hello. Sorry, I'm taking online class. Please call after 1 hour. So this is completed. Now total 53. 53 means 52 students are there. Now last question, that is question number 5. Last question of this exercise. Yes. Question number 5. Question number 5 is given a jar contains 24 marbles. Some are green and others are blue. If the marble is drawn at random from the jar, then the probability that is green is 2 by 3. Find the number of blue balls in the jar. So, assume that let the number of blue balls, let the number of blue balls in the jar is equal to x. Total number of balls are given. Total number of balls named blue marbles. Right? Total let the number of blue marbles in the jar be x. Total number of marbles are 24. Right? So therefore number of green marbles will be equal to how much? Tell me. Tell me. Total number of marbles 24. Blue marbles
24 minus x.
Sir, 16. Sir, green
Sir,
marbles is
24
equal to
minus x.
16.
why 16? 16 why?
Sir, 24 into 2 by 3.
20.
24 into minus x होगा ना.
हाँ,
वही तो 24 हाँ
minus x होगा।
सर इंटू 2 by 3 करेंगे तो x की वैल्यू आ जाएगी.
वो that is later, but अभी number of green marbles is 24 minus x. Okay. Now, if the marble is drawn and random from the jar, the probability that probability of green is 2 by 3. So find out probability of drawing probability of drawing a green marble, probability of drawing a green marble is 2 by 3, it is given, na? But what is the drawing a green marble? Number of green marbles are 24 minus x, right? And the number of green marbles is 24 minus x, and total number of marbles is 24, na? 24 will be equal to 2 by 3. So cross multiply. 24 into 2 is 48, and this will be equal to 3 into 24 minus x. So 48 is equal to 24 to the 72 minus 3x. So 3x is equal to 72 minus 48. So 3x is equal to 12 minus 84 and 6 minus 4 2. So
24.
x
X is equal to
24.
8.
okay. So therefore number of green marbles, number of क्या निकालना है green blue marble, right? Number of blue marble होगा है ना. So therefore number of blue marble तो आ गया 8 आपका.
सर x इज इक्वल्स टू है ना, आपने शायद तक 6 लिखा है.
कहाँ 6 लिखा है?
x इज इक्वल्स टू
x is equal to 8 है लिखा है, not 6.
ओ ओके. सर वो थोड़ा विजिबल नहीं था ठीक से. आप ठीक.
ठीक है, क्लियर है सबको? So now you are this is over. So we will start today the construction part. Okay. So for construction,
सर ऑनलाइन में दिक्कत नहीं होगा बहुत कंस्ट्रक्शन के लिए?
कंस्ट्रक्शन में आप साथ साथ क्या करो, आप अपनी एक व्हाइट कॉपी, ब्लैंक कॉपी और ज्योमेट्री बॉक्स लेके बैठो. ओके, आई विल ट्राई माय लेवल बेस्ट. मैं ऐसे बताऊंगा कि आपको आप साथ साथ बनाते जाओ. ठीक है, मेरे साथ साथ आप ड्रॉ करते जाओ.
ठीक है.
इसीलिए मैं बोलता हूँ आप लोग सब लोग टाइमली ज्वाइन करो बेटा, है ना. टाइमली ज्वाइन करने से वेटिंग रूम वाला झंझट नहीं रहता है. अब देखो आप जितना लेट ज्वाइन करोगे, जब मैं वेरीवर एंड वेरी क्लियर, इट इज वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू डू क्लियर. So after completion of my question, then only I will look at the screen. Only 59 today, 58 today. Not good. I need complete 79.
Sir, number of green marble will be 16 ना?
Green marble पूछा है क्या? Number of blue पूछे, green पूछे. Find the number of blue marble पूछे है ना? Blue पूछा है, green नहीं पूछा है. Find the number of blue marbles.
वो पूछ रहा था बस, वो ग्रीन मार्बल के लिए वो 24 माइनस एक्स कर देंगे तो वो 16 हो जाएगा.
If you want to find out the number of green marble, then you will subtract 8 from 24. That will be 16 आ जाएगा ना. ठीक है?
यस सर.
Okay. And I want to suggest you that you please download one sample paper from CBSE academic site. Okay. And it's also
सर प्लीज रिपीट द साइट. कौन सी साइट से?
CBSE academic. मैं एक काम करता हूँ, मैं अभी आपको ग्रुप में भेज दूंगा आज. Okay. I will send both the papers, basic and
ओके सर.
basic and standard, and you will follow the same paper. You have to follow the paper completely, because this time in pre-board examination the same pattern will be followed by us. Okay. सारे सब्जेक्ट का आप डाउनलोड कर लीजिए पेपर, और मैं भी मैथ्स का आपको भेज दूंगा, और वैसे ही तैयारी करना है. उस पेपर को कंप्लीटली सॉल्व करना है आपको. You have to solve that complete paper. That will be help a lot in your pre-board examination. सारे क्वेश्चन को 2 बार 3 बार 4 बार बना के देखो, and if you are not getting any question properly, we can discuss in the class. Okay.
ओके सर।
हाँ मैडम कर लिया हाँ कर लिया हाँ मैडम कर लिया। So I am running this.
सर बस केस स्टडी में प्रॉब्लम होती है। अच्छा,
ये कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं बेटा, मैं केस स्टडी वाला क्वेश्चन आपको करवाऊंगा ना कैसे करना है। एक्चुअली केस स्टडी क्वेश्चन इज नथिंग बट मींस आपको उसमें कुछ ज्यादा एफर्ट नहीं लगाना। वंस यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड द क्वेश्चन प्रॉपर्ली, ओके, आपको एक बार क्वेश्चन अच्छे से रीड आउट करके पढ़ लेना है, समझ लेना है, एंड what are the values or parameters are given in that question, you have to note down somewhere. मैं एक एग्जांपल लेके आपको बताऊंगा कि हाउ टू सॉल्व द केस स्टडी क्वेश्चन, ओके। And let me complete the course first, means only few questions are left, only construction part is left. So today I will see one to construction, and in the next class and tomorrow I will try to complete it, okay. And from Monday we will start our revision, and I will tell you the strategy of solving the paper, how should your strategy for solving the question paper. That is very necessary, that is very important, because this time the paper pattern is very time consuming. Paper pattern is very time consuming. Yes Tanushree, yes, now you are entered. Yes, 58, 57 total. So I will discuss each and everything. Okay. So that is why I am saying that please don't miss a single class. If at any cost you have to attend the class from Monday till your pre-board examination. It is be very beneficial for you. अगर एक दिन की आप क्लास मिस करोगे तो you are losing a lot. मैं हर दिन आपको कुछ ना कुछ नया बताऊंगा. Yes, Ayush.
सर आयुष ऑनलाइन क्वेश्चन में भेज दिया सैंपल पेपर।
क्या बोल रहे थे?
सर सैंपल पेपर ऑनलाइन
सर
क्लास
आयुष
में आ
एक
गया।
एपीके जिसमें पिछले साल के और इस साल के सैंपल पेपर है।
पिछले साल का पेपर भेजना है आपको? ठीक है, मैं आपको मटेरियल भेजते जाऊंगा, आप लोग अपने ग्रुप में देखते जाना। मैं आज से आई विल स्टार्ट सेंडिंग द मटेरियल्स, ओके। सो यू विल सिंसियरली एंड रिलीजियसली सॉल्व द क्वेश्चंस एंड प्लीज आस्क द डाउट, ओके, नो प्रॉब्लम। 3 मिनट्स लेफ्ट या 3 मिनट या 1 मिनट बहुत होता है, ओके। सो वी मूव ऑन टू द कंस्ट्रक्शन पार्ट। सो एक क्वेश्चन आज कंस्ट्रक्शन का हो जाएगा, दैट इज एक्सरसाइज 11.1. In 11.1 only you have to solve the first question, okay, only you have to solve the first question, and remaining question from 2 to 7 all the questions are omitted, okay. There means you have to divide a given line in the desired ratio. Given line in the, yes, look here. So do one thing, यदि आज आप लोग अपना एक व्हाइट कॉपी मतलब प्लेन कॉपी और ज्योमेट्री बॉक्स, स्केल, पेंसिल, रबर, हर चीज साथ में लेके बैठे और मेरे साथ बनाते जाए, राइट। सो what exactly you will do here? You will draw a line segment of 7.6 centimeter. So draw a line segment, chapter number 11, that is construction.
Sir, time is not much.
ठीक है ना यार, फिर कर लेंगे। यदि मान लो आज मिस हो जाएगा, कल से स्टार्ट कर लेंगे। अभी क्या करेंगे? अभी आप चले जाओगे क्या? ओके, सो ड्रॉ a line segment of 7.6 centimeter. The first question, 7.6 centimeter, suppose AB. Okay, and 7.6 centimeter draw कर लिया आपने. Then what we will do? We will draw one acute angle below this. One acute angle BAX. Why it is acute angle? यहाँ पे यदि करोगे तो 90 होगा, that is right angle. इसके पहले जो भी एंगल्स आएगा, that will be acute angle. Okay, draw one acute angle, and how much the ratio is given here. In which ratio you have to divide this line AB? You have to divide this line in the ratio 5:8. Right? So first of all, what you will do, you will add both the numbers 5:8. So you will add 5 plus 8. 5 plus 8 is 13. Now you will take any suitable radius with the help of your compass. Right? Any suitable radius with the help of compass. Put your pointer of compass here and start cutting this line AX in 13 equal parts. जितना भी रेशियो खुलेगा उसको ऐड करके उतने पार्ट में डिवाइड करेंगे हम लोग. So we will start cutting this line AX in 13 parts. So start from here, cut one arm, again from here second arm, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, 9, 10, 11, 12 and 13. Right? And you will write it as A1, A2, A3, A4, A5, A6, A7, A8, A9, A10, A11, A12 and A13. A12 and A13. Right? Is it clear now? यहाँ तक सबको clear है?
नो सर, एक बार रिपीट कर दो ना सर.
हाँ, मैं रिपीट कर रहा हूँ.
Yes, sir, please
लेकिन
repeat.
कंस्ट्रक्शन देखो, अभी ऑनलाइन में कंस्ट्रक्शन जैसे जैसे मैं बता रहा हूँ वैसे वैसे आपको करना पड़ेगा, अदरवाइज आप नहीं कर पाओगे.
यस सर, कर रहे हैं लोग साथ साथ.
फिर इसके बाद मैं आपको स्टेप्स लिखा दूंगा. स्टेप्स लिखाने से फायदा ये होगा कि एट द टाइम ऑफ एग्जामिनेशन यू जस्ट रीड आउट द स्टेप्स and you can draw accordingly. Is it clear? So draw a line segment of 7.6 centimeter and draw one acute angle BAX here. This is acute angle less than 90 degree. Okay, and our ratio is 5:8. So we will add the ratio, that is 5:8. That is 5 plus 8 is equal to 13. And put your compass on point A. And take any suitable radius with the help of compass and start cutting the lines in 13 parts. One from here, again put the pointer here, cut second arc, again put the pointer here, cut next arc. In this way, you have to cut 13 arcs. Is that clear to everyone? Yes.
Sir, why
Yes,
13?
sir.
मैं बताया ना, जो
8 plus 5, 13.
जो भी आपको रेशियो देगा वो रेशियो को ऐड कर देंगे और उससे आर्क्स कट करेंगे. सपोज हियर रेशियो इज 7:3. देन कट हाउ मच? 10 arcs.
10.
Cut 10 arcs. If it is
Yes, sir, we have to add the ratios.
yes, suppose 3:2. So you will cut this
5.
it is 9 into 5 parts, 5 equal parts by taking any suitable radius. Is it clear?
सर जो अपन आर्क काटेंगे वो अपन पॉइंटर रख के बस काटते ही जाने ना, 13 पार्ट्स ऐसे.
मेरा कंपास है, मैंने यहाँ रखा और ये पहला काट दिया, फिर मुझे ये वाला पॉइंट मिल गया, फिर से ये काट दिया, फिर इस पॉइंट पर ये काट दिया. In this way you have to keep on cutting the arcs on the AX. अभी क्लियर है?
Yes, sir.
कितना दूर?
मतलब जिससे पहले से जितना काटेंगे उसी उतने से ही काटना है अगला भी।
सेम रेडियस का।
हाँ सर, यस सर, अंडरस्टूड।
ये पॉइंट मिलेगा, फिर पॉइंट करेंगे ये वाला पॉइंट मिलेगा। In this way you will keep cutting the arcs throughout the ray ax. Okay, and taking arcs,
सर उसके बाद क्या करना है?
taking arc is only up to you. How much you are taking, it is not really important. Only you have to take any suitable radius. 1 centimeter, 1.5 centimeter, 2 centimeter. It is up to you. Okay. Now this step is over, and what? How much time is left now? Only 1 minute, I think. Yes. अभी आगे करते हैं, देखो. Now after doing this, what do you do? After doing this, you will join B with A13. Last one, पहला वाला और last वाला. Last arc and first last this point of your line segment. हम इसको join कर देते हैं. I am joining this. Yes. Okay. After joining B13, not extra, X is different. ये तो अलग है. This is X. You will join A13 with B. Join. Hello. Join.
Yes,
Yes,
sir,
sir.
done.
यस सर कर लिया।
Yes. Now.
यस सर,
इसके आगे
Now you will take your compass and take any suitable radius. आप एक suitable radius ले लो and put your pointer here and cut an arc here. Put the pointer here and spread your compass and cut any arc of suitable radius here. Put your pointer here and cut an arc here. Here to